morning, students. Today we will continue with chapter 9, Economic Importance of Bacteria and Fungi, and we have been studying about bacteria. Today we will see the harmful effects of bacteria. Harmful effects of bacteria. Let's see how they are harmful to us. A previous study we have studied, discussion we studied that how they are useful. They are useful in many ways, but they are harmful as well. So let's see. Number one, botulism. Botulism is food poisoning. If we keep the food open and for a long time, it spoils. Bacteria act upon the food and they spoil the food. And when we eat that food, we are poisoned. We will have stomachache, diarrhea, and so on. So, it's very common problem, harmful effect of bacteria, botulism, which is in another word, food poisoning. Second one is diseases in plants. There are so many diseases in plants that are caused by bacteria. Let's see one or two examples. Black rot in mustard and cauliflower. When we see cauliflower, they become black sometimes when it is old. And mustard also, black rot, that is called as black rot. Black rot in mustard and cauliflower. Next one is, second one is bacteria blight. There is some problem in cowpea. Cowpea is a plant, and this is the disease of that cowpea, which is called as black blight. The third harmful effect of bacteria in animals is disease in animals. Diseases in animals. That's anthrax. Anthrax is a disease of animals caused by bacteria, where we find swelling in the body and the milk production is reduced. So this is a disease. It's a problem in animals due to bacteria. The second one, tuberculosis in animals. Lungs are infected, they are affected, and the animals, they cough, and this cough is dry cough. So that is because of tuberculosis in animals caused by, again, bacteria. Now there are diseases in plants, human beings also. Fourth one, diseases in humans. Now there are so many numbers of diseases that are caused by bacteria in humans. We have typhoid, tetanus, cholera, TB, diphtheria, pneumonia, and so on and on. So many kinds of diseases caused by bacteria in humans. We suffer from these diseases. And the last one is bioweapon. Some of the bacteria can be used as bioweapon. Bioweapon means living organisms are multiplied and produced so that to kill human beings. That is called bioweapon. They are used as weapon to kill human beings. So some of the bacteria, just like anthrax bacteria, they may cause epidemic. Just like now currently we are suffering from what? COVID-19. COVID-19 is what? A virus. Just like that, bacteria also can be released into the populated area, and this bacteria can kill so many at a time. So that is the harmful effect of bacteria. Now let's see. Food is important. Number one harmful effect of bacteria we have seen is botulism. We have to protect our food. How to protect the food? How to preserve it? There are several ways, methods of preserving food. Number one is boiling. Boiling at high temperature, that is also called as sterilization. By boiling at high temperature, what happens? The germs which are there, worms which are there, bacteria which are there in the food, they are killed. That is boiling. Number two, salting. Addition of salt in excess to the food items. Just like pickle we make, it is salty. Salt is added, and because of this salt, we can store pickles for a long time. It does not allow the bacteria to multiply in pickle. Number 3, dehydration. drying. Germs, bacteria, fungi, whatever, in the presence of water, they grow and multiply and they spoil the food. But when we remove the water from the food products or food items, that is by dehydration or drying, we can preserve food. Number 4 is irradiation. Irradiation is what? The high beam of light, radiations are put in the food. Apply radiations in the food items. By that what happens? These radiations, the light, strong light, they kill the germs. That is called irradiation. Number 5 is pasteurization. Pasteurization is just like boiling. You heat the food, boil the food, and that hot food, you put it in the fridge, cool it immediately. That is called pasteurization. And there are pasteurized milk available. They boil the milk and immediately they cool it down. In this way, what happens? Food is preserved. That is pasteurization. Number 6 is strong chemical treatment. Some of the food can be chemically treated with strong chemicals, and by these strong chemicals, what happens? The germs, bacteria, fungi, whatever, they do not grow. And so the food is preserved. And last one is refrigeration. Refrigeration, keeping the food in the cold refrigerators, cooling them at low temperature, keeping them at low temperature, preserve the food. And that's why we have the refrigerators at home, all of us.